This video is sponsored by Doba. As well as having a suite of AI tools to help you go from zero to up and running e-commerce store in next to no time, Doba helps entrepreneurs launch and scale online stores fast by giving them instant access to millions of products they can sell without upfront inventory. Think of it as a one-stop dropshipping platform built for modern e-commerce. That sounds good to you? Click the link in the description, and now back to the video. Ever wondered why some online stores seem to effortlessly attract customers while others struggle to make a single sale? As an example, this hair care appliance e-commerce store has made $1.7 million in just the last 30 days at the time of recording this video. There's also this nasal stick seller who've grossed $1.6 million within the same period. While these results are possible but not typical, they do also make you wonder what makes a shopper trust your site enough to hit that buy button. In this video, we're breaking down the anatomy of a winning e-commerce store, from the first impression your design makes to the secrets behind product pages that actually convert and the trust signals that turn browsers into buyers. Make sure to drop us a big like if you find value from this video. This video is brought to you by Doba. They're an all-in-one dropshipping platform that lets you find high-demand products, connect with reliable suppliers, and sell online without holding inventory. Check the link in the description to learn more. All right, let's break this down in simple terms. First impressions matter. Clean, trustworthy designs are what you're after. So when someone lands on your store, the first thing they'll notice is how it looks. If it feels messy or hard to navigate, they'll bounce right off. No questions asked. You want a simple, mobile-friendly layout. Think of your store like a house. If the rooms are all over the place, you won't know where to go. A simple, clean layout makes it easy for people to find what they need. And since most people shop on their phones nowadays, your store has to look good and be easy to use on mobile too. If it's hard to use on a phone, people will not stick around. You want a high-quality logo and visuals as well. Your logo is like your store's handshake. It should look professional and make people think this place knows what it's doing. Also, using sharp, high-quality images of products helps show you mean business. No one trusts blurry photos or low-resolution images. They make it look like you didn't put in the effort. Clear navigation and no clutter. Make sure everything is easy to find. Your store should be like a clear path in the park, not a maze. Avoid throwing too many options in the customer's face at once. The cleaner the layout, the easier it is to shop, and the higher the chances of them buying something. Consistent branding across all pages. Consistency is key. Imagine if you walked into a store and the branding changed every time you turned a corner. That would be weird, right? You want everything from the colors to the font to feel like it belongs. This helps build trust so customers know they're in the right place. It keeps them engaged and reassures that they're dealing with serious business. In short, a well-designed store makes customers feel comfortable, trust you, and stay around long enough to buy. Product pages that convert. All right, let's dive into this. When it comes to your product pages, the goal is to make people feel like they need what you're selling, and they need it fast. So let's break down the pieces that make a product listing convert. Number one, eye-catching photos, i.e. multiple angles, lifestyle shots, etc. Photos are everything. The better your product looks, the more likely someone is to buy it. You want to show off your product from every angle. Think of it like a mini photo shoot. Lifestyle shots are especially powerful. They help people imagine the product in their life, whether it's a jacket being worn out on a night out or a gadget being used in the home. It creates a visual story which brings your product to life. Number two, clear, benefit-driven product descriptions. Nobody wants to read a boring list of specs. Instead, highlight what's in it for the customer. How does your product solve their problem or make life easier? Focus on benefits, not just features. For example, don't just say this jacket is waterproof. Instead, say stay dry even on rainy days with this waterproof jacket. Perfect for outdoor adventures. See the difference? It's about making them feel why they need it. Number three, key info above the fold. Price, shipping time, stock. When someone lands on the page, you want them to see the important stuff right away without having to scroll. Make sure your price is clear, the shipping time is obvious, and you show how many are in stock or if it's running low. This is all about removing friction and making decisions easy for the customer. If they're ready to buy, you want them to do it without distractions. Number four, urgency or social proof, e.g. low stock, reviews, etc. People hate missing out. If you show that stock is running low or display reviews from happy customers, it creates a sense of urgency and trust. Urgency might look like only 3 days left in stock. Social proof, on the other hand, could be glowing reviews like this jacket is a game changer. I wear it every day. When people see others are happy with their purchase, they're more likely to follow suit. Here's a pro tip. Add a recently bought notification near the checkout button. Like Sarah from London just bought this. It's like a little social nudge that makes people feel like like they're making a popular choice. Okay, let's talk about trust signals. These are little things that help turn a browser into a buyer by making them feel safe and confident in their decision to purchase from you. Here's how you can reduce any hesitation. Number 1, visible reviews or testimonials. Nothing speaks louder than real people vouching for your product. Reviews and testimonials are powerful because they show others have bought from you and had a positive experience. It's like a virtual thumbs up. Make sure they're easy to find. Don't hide them at the bottom of the page. Place them prominently near the product or checkout area so people can see them and feel reassured before pulling the trigger. Secure payment badges. When customers see those little trust symbols like Visa, PayPal, or a secure checkout badge, they know their info is safe. It's like a security guard standing at the door, making them feel comfortable to go ahead with the payment. This reduces any concerns they might have about fraud or sketchy websites. Make sure these are clearly displayed near your checkout buttons. Number 3, easy to find return policy and contact info. Nobody likes surprises, especially when it comes to returns. If your return policy is easy to find and simple to understand, people feel like they have a safety net. It's like telling them, hey, if it doesn't work out, no big deal, we've got you covered. Also, make sure your contact info is visible, whether it's an email, phone number, or live chat. The more accessible and approachable you seem, the more people trust you. Number 4, About Us page with a real story. People love to connect with brands that feel real. Your About Us page isn't just for telling your story, it's for building relationships. Share who you are, why you started your business, and what drives you. When people feel like they know you and your mission, they're more likely to trust you with their money. Keep it personal and authentic. No corporate mumbo jumbo. Here's a pro tip. Add a live chat feature or frequently asked questions section for immediate customer support. Instant responses can clear up concerns on the spot and make the customer feel even more secure. That being out of the way, let's dive into making the checkout process as smooth as possible. This is the final step before the sale happens, so we want to make sure it's effortless and stress-free for your customers. Here's how to do it. Number 1, guest checkout option. Now, not everyone wants to create an account just to make a purchase. Offering a guest checkout option removes the extra step. People appreciate being able to check out quickly without the need to remember a password or fill out a bunch of extra info. This is a quick way to keep customers from abandoning their cart before they buy. Number 2, multiple payment methods. Customers are picky about how they want to pay. Some prefer PayPal, others like credit cards, or maybe they want to use Apple Pay or Google Pay. The more options you offer, the easier it is for people to complete checkout. This flexibility ensures you're not turning anyone away simply because their preferred payment method isn't available. Number 3, autofill options for fast checkout. People are busy and they don't want to retype their address or card details every time. Autofill options save them time by filling in the information they've already entered before, like their address or credit card. This small step can make a huge difference in speeding up the process and reducing frustration. Number 4, progress bar or clean one-page checkout. Progress bar is like a roadmap to your customers, showing them exactly how many steps are left before they're done. If your checkout has multiple pages, a progress bar keeps things clear. Alternatively, a clean single-page checkout with no distractions can be even more efficient. The key here is simplicity. No one wants to go through a bunch of pages just to finish buying something. Expert tip: offer a save for later feature, allowing customers to easily return to their cart later on. This way, if they get distracted or aren't ready to check out, they can come back and finish the purchase without having to remember what they wanted. This reduces abandonment and makes it more likely they'll come back and complete their order. Alright, that being said, let's talk about something a lot of stores overlook: post-purchase experience. This is where the magic happens for building loyalty and getting repeat sales. Here's how you can make sure your customers feel amazing after they hit the buy button. Number 1, order confirmation and shipping updates. Once someone buys from you, it's crucial to confirm their order immediately. Send a thank you email or message right after the purchase. This reassures them that everything's good to go, but don't stop there. Keep them updated as their order moves through the process. Shipping updates, tracking numbers, all of it. People love knowing exactly what to get in their package. It builds trust and keeps excitement alive. Number 2, thank you messages or post-purchase upsells. A simple thank you for your order goes a long way. You want to make sure your customers feel appreciated. Some stores take it a step further with post-purchase upsells, like suggesting complimentary products after the customer has already checked out. Done tastefully, it's a great way to increase your average order value. Just don't go overboard or it'll feel like a sales pitch instead of a helpful suggestion. Number 3, easy return process. Nobody wants to get stuck with something they don't need or don't like. Make sure your return process is super simple and clear. When customers know that they can easily return something if they don't like it, they're way more likely to hit buy in the first place. It takes the pressure off knowing there's an easy out if it doesn't work out. The simpler and smoother you make the process, the more confident they'll feel buying from you again. Number 4, email marketing or SMS follow-up. Once the sale is done, the relationship doesn't have to end. You can keep the connection alive with email marketing or SMS follow-ups. Send them a "how's it working for you" message a few days later after they receive the product, or offer them a special deal for their next purchase. This keeps your brand on their radar and gives them a reason to return. Plus, a well-timed follow-up email or SMS can bring back customers who may have forgotten about you. Here's a little known hack/secret millionaire e-commerce brands use. After a purchase, use a post-purchase survey to gather feedback. Include a short, simple question like, "How did we do today?" And based on their response, send them a personalized follow-up. If they're happy, ask for a review or even a referral to their friends. If they're unhappy, address the issue immediately, but also offer them a discount on their next purchase as a goodwill gesture. This small detail not only helps you get better, but turns a potential negative into a repeat customer.